हेलो फ्रेंड्स। ऐसा कितनी बार हुआ होगा आपकी मम्मी ने आपको बचपन में किसी कमरे में बंद कर दिया हो आपकी शैतानियों पर, या आपके कजिन्स ने आपको कितनी दफ़ा आपको आपका रास्ते पे आपको जाने से मना कर दिया हो या आपको स्टॉप कर दिया हो। इसी कुछ लीगल प्रोविजन के साथ आज हम आईपीसी के सेक्शन 339 एंड 348 तक हम रॉन्गफुल रिस्ट्रेन और रॉन्गफुल कन्फाइनमेंट पढ़ेंगे। रॉन्गफुल रिस्ट्रेन जो कि डिफाइन है 339 में, जो कि बोलता है अगर whoever has been voluntarily obstrained to go in particular direction who has a right, so he is committing wrongful restraint. If A has a right to move on the path and he has been restrained by Z by his car, so what he is committing wrongful restraint. अब सेकंड प्रोविजन है 340 में, जो डिफाइन करता है रॉन्गफुल कन्फाइनमेंट। रॉन्गफुल कन्फाइनमेंट और रॉन्गफुल रिस्ट्रेन दोनों कॉन्सेप्ट समवॉट सिमिलर दिखते हैं, पर लेकिन रॉन्गफुल कन्फाइनमेंट ब्रॉडर है। इट इंक्लूड्स ऑल द डायरेक्शन। यू हैवंट stopped to one direction, but you have restrained to all over the direction. You have not any kind of access to anywhere. सो सेकेंडली हम इसी प्रोविजन में हम आगे बात करते हैं कि रॉन्गफुल कन्फाइनमेंट कैसा डिफाइन है आईपीसी में। जो whoever has been restrained, who has been obstrained by somebody to circumvallance limit, this is the main word, so he is committing a wrongful confinement. wrongful confinement एक इलिस्ट्रेशन के साथ समझते हैं कि अगर आपको आपके फ्रेंड ने आपके ही घर पर अगर बंद कर दिया हो और आपके पास कोई एक्सेस नहीं है और बोला है कि अगर आप बाहर निकलोगे तो वो आपको शूट कर देगा, तो दैट इज रॉन्गफुल कन्फाइनमेंट, जो कि पनिशेबल है। अब फॉर द पनिशमेंट ऑफ रॉन्गफुल रिस्ट्रेन इट हैज बीन डिफाइंड इन 341, which says that person shall be liable for the imprisonment of 1 month with fine or with both. And now the 342, which says the punishment for the wrongful confinement, that shall be person shall be who has been committing a the person who has been committing a wrongful confinement shall be liable for the 1 year imprisonment or fine or with both. And now the further concepts of wrongful confinement under 343 and 345, 344, sorry, 3 343 and 344, which says if the person has been wrongfully confined for more than 3 days or 3 days, he shall be liable for the imprisonment of 2 years with fine or with both. And 344, which say whoever person has been wrongfully confinement for 10 or more than 10, he shall be liable for the imprisonment of 3 years or fine or with both. Upcoming provisions which are either of this kind of provision may be like wrongful confinement for 1 day, 3 days or 10 days, and the person whose writ petition have been issued and that person has not liberated, that person isn't liberated, he shall be liable for the imprisonment of additional 2 years. So that means the person either, if we, by illustration, if we compare, if A has been wrongfully confinement for the 3 days, so now the imprisonment is 2 years, and now the additional whose writ petition had been issued, and that will give to additional of 2. That means imprisonment will become 4 years. And now next provision, if the person has been wrongfully confinement secretly, of the person who has been confined secretly shall be liable for the additional 2 year imprisonment. If we see the illustration, if X and Y are the two persons, he has been confined to X house for more than 10 days. So his imprisonment will be 3 years, and additional he was confinement as a secret. So nobody knows about where he has been, and for the 10 days he has been somewhere and nobody's known, and plus additional 2 year. So now the imprisonment will become 5 year fine over both. And another provision is 347, which say कि wrongfully confinement for extort the for the extortion of the property or to commit an illegal act of the person who is doing this. So he shall be liable for the imprisonment of 2 year imprisonment, fine, or with both. And next, if the person has been exhort, so that he shall be can the person can be done a confession to that person, and along with restoration of property either of, so that person shall be liable who has been doing wrongfully confinement for this purpose. The purpose is कि अगर वो उससे कन्फेस कर सके या उससे रिस्टोर कर सके कुछ भी प्रॉपर्टी, so he shall be liable for the imprisonment of 3 year, fine, or with. Thank you.